Benjamin. Hi. Hey.
Alright, who am I calling next?
Hold on, I'm videotaping your son crawling for the second time.
Is he doing it?
He did it.
Did it.
He's trying to get to that cord again. I knew he would. Now he wants the cat.
Go, Benjamin, go. Oh, you're so close. You're doing it. There you go, smile for the camera.
Hey, Benjamin.
Yes! Yes, you're awesome, man! Good job! Yeah! We're crawling. We're moving now. Oh man, mom and dad are in trouble.
Benjamin. And you found a cord. And a laptop. And we need a baby proof. Right, Benjamin?